I be smoking good and I ain't in the Bahamas. I be at my girl's pad, she living with her mama. I be smoking girl, be smoking weed, be smoking dank. I be faded to the max, Hennessy, my choice of drink. Bottles pop like water when it go and touch some hot grease. Bud flavors got 'em all. Mary Jane, she's such a tease. Thirsty, I ain't gotta take a trip. Crib, got it like the lick. All different type of bottles, homie, take a pic. Police every Friday, Saturday night, they outside my crib. Knowing that inside we sipping hard, so fuck the pigs. Everywhere I go, they stop me. Motherfuckers watching me. Hate to see me rolling, hate to see me walking down the street. Motherfucker, mob, bitch, I'm Solo G the kid. Fucking up my blood in front of them, I'm taking up my pig. Everything illegal, best know that I treat it like it's legal. Homie got a Cadillac, work got it in the Regal. Stay so fly, so high, till I meet my death. Lyrics freezing on the beat, city gave me icy breath. 612 raised, but this homie little village born. Gangsters from the shot, keep it sharp like a fucking thorn. Guns bust, call it lust, who the fuck can I trust? Mary Jane and Snow White, every day, that's a must. I sitting low, but ain't no Jackie Chan. Where you from? Hong Kong. Like, bitch, I'm Mexican. Handle business every day. These bitches know I put in work. Enemies up on my block. Through the night I fucking lurk. Phone ringing, call waiting. Gotta go and make a move. Nothing worth speaking, so I say there's nothing that I gotta prove. I'm out.